Hi friends, today I am going to show you how to cultivate crops in bed method. Yes friends, this is a bed. I purchased it from Amazon. Yeah friends, you have to put some sticks for this, that the bed can stand like this. You have to follow. I am sharing with you the procedure I have been followed and getting better result, and the crops growing. I will share with the video end how crops are going, the final crop growing stage. See friends, I am mixing all of vermicompost soil and waste materials in this bag. Put one by one. It is dry leaves of my garden. I use here. After then I'm mixing. My mixing is going on, and I fill up the bags this way. Yeah friends, and also I mix each elements. Mixing is very important for growing crops healthy. Good balance of mixture, good potting mixture helps to grow healthy crops. You have to provide support that bags can stand. Yeah. This is a cabbage sapling. I put it here, planting here. See friends, I just planting and maintain distance. Yeah, this is tomato sapling. Yeah, this is brinjal sapling, and it is radish seeds. I just spreading. Yeah, and after spreading these crops and seeds, I just put some soil vermicompost over it. See friends, yeah, I just at last I given sprinkling water this way. Yeah, almost it is ready, and my planting is complete in bed. Bed method is very useful. It is increase the crop production, and mixing method is friends. See the updates. Radish are coming out. By mixing, crop mixing is very important because it enhances crop production, reducing the pest from your garden. Less pest attack you faced in your garden, and production also increased. See friends, the final growing stage of bed. The bed size is 12 into 12 into 48 fans. Yeah friends, lots of crops growing. See friends, you can also doing this. Thank you friends. Subscribe me friends for inspiring me.